Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. This is a small technical outlook video on the Nifty 50 index. We are looking at the 60-minute chart of the Nifty 50 index. Nifty has been trading in a range of 11,057.25 to 11,238.60 levels for the past few sessions. It finally broke out of its narrow trading range on Tuesday, July 28th with a strong bullish candle and also closed outside of it. So we can now expect the 11,238.60 level to act as support in the immediate short term. Now let's switch to the daily chart. Nifty has posted a bearish belt hold pattern candle on the daily chart on Monday, but followed it up with a strong bullish candle, thereby negating the pattern. This indicates a strong bullish undercurrent among the traders, and any correction at this point would be bought into. With today's move, Nifty closed the 11,269 to 10,942.65 gap formed on March 6th. There is a huge gap resistance at 11,382 to 11,633.30 formed on February 28th. This, along with the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of the fall 12,430.5 to 7,511.1, which is at 11,377.75, would act as an immediate barrier. The index is also above all its key daily exponential moving averages 20, 50, and 200. India VIX fell further by 5.5% and is now at 23.64. All of this signal a bullish trend. The 200 EMA is currently at the 10,833.98 level. Now let's look at the option chain of July 30th monthly expiry. On the put side, it is evident that maximum open interest stood at 11,000 followed by 11,200 levels. While on the call side, maximum open interest was at 11,500 followed by 11,300 levels. For identifying strikes where there was significant option writing, we have to skip at the money strikes and identify those strikes with a positive change of open interest. It is evident that on the call side, there was significant writing at 11,350, 11,550 and then 11,450 levels. And on the put side, significant writing was seen at 11,200, 11,300 and then 11,150 levels. For identifying strikes where there was significant option unwinding, we have to identify those strikes with a negative change of open interest. It is evident that on the call side, there was significant unwinding at 11,200 and then 11,700 levels. And on the put side, significant unwinding was seen at 10,500, 10,400 and then 11,500 levels. This indicates there is a potential resistance at 11,450 levels and a potential support at 11,150 levels. So the trading range for the coming 2 days can be between 11,450 to 11,150. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter and Telegram, use the username NiftyBN. Also, I post some of my trades to the community tab, so don't forget to check that from time to time.